Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Type Mask tools make selection areas in the shape of text you type. You can then apply most of the same fill effects to the text selection area that you apply to shape selections. The selection can have the background or foreground color applied to it, it can be filled with a pattern or gradient, or it can have a stroke applied to it. The text selection behaves like the selections regular selection tools make. The process for creating a type mask is the same as creating normal text. You simply select the Type tool in the toolbox, and then select either the horizontal Type Mask tool or the vertical Type Mask tool in the tool options bar. This will then create a mask over your layer. Then you create the text as normal by using either the point or paragraph text styles. The tool will then make a selection from the text using the font you specified. Then you can apply whatever fill effects or strokes you want to the selection.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.